What if I told you this incredible 3D letter isn't standing on the paper at all? It may look impossible, but it's actually a clever pencil drawing combined with perspective and shading. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to draw this amazing, impossible 3D letter F step by step. You only need a pencil, ruler, eraser, and paper. Let's begin. Start by drawing a clean, bold letter F. Keep your lines straight and your corners sharp. The cleaner your outline is, the more realistic your final illusion will look. Don't rush. A few extra seconds here will make a big difference later. Now it's time to create the illusion. Extend the edges downward so they gradually meet at a single point. This creates forced perspective, making the letter appear extremely tall and floating above the paper. Connect every edge carefully. You'll notice the drawing already begins to trick your eyes. Now let's make it look real. Imagine the light coming from the upper left. Keep the top surfaces bright and shade the side surfaces darker. Use soft pencil strokes and slowly build up the graphite. Smooth shading creates the illusion of solid material instead of flat paper. This is where the magic really starts to happen. A realistic shadow is what sells the illusion. Lightly sketch the shadow beneath the point where the letter touches the paper. Make the shadow darkest near the base and gradually lighter as it moves away. Blend it softly for a natural look. Now your drawing looks like it's standing upright on the page. And there you have it. An amazing, impossible 3D letter F created with nothing more than a pencil and a little patience. If this tutorial inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe to Art by Maqbool, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new drawing tutorial. Leave a comment below and tell me which impossible 3D letter or shape you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.